What is up, guys? Today we are back with a different video. We're gonna be making clear slime without borax. First, you're gonna need your hot water and then your baking soda, and you're just gonna mix that up, put it into your container. I'm gonna switch it into a plastic bag because I need to make my slime in this container, obviously. I don't know. Now, first you're gonna need your glue. Then you're gonna need your eye contact solution. That's what you're gonna need. First, you're gonna put your glue into the container. Now that it's empty, just squeeze all of it. The amount of glue you put in is the amount of slime you will have. Just remember, it's not like it's gonna multiply or anything. Next, you're gonna take your baking soda solution into the bowl, put it into some in the bowl, and then you're gonna get your eye contact solution and just put some in, not too much. And then you're just gonna wanna mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it until you think it's not too sticky, but like you can knead it. Like, yeah. So this is after it's kneaded properly. Now you're gonna want to put some dye in it. If you want dye, I mean, you might not want dye, you might want clear slime. I already have clear slime, so I want to dye this blue, like water. You know? And now I'm just gonna do a little dyeing, showing you how it looks. Sorry if you can't really see this. It's gonna be better videos than this, obviously, but just keep mixing, mixing, and mixing. Now this is it after. It might be tiny, but whatever. Guys, remember to like and subscribe my video. Bye!